If you get scam on Facebook, or you notice a scam ad or scam page, or someone try to impersonate someone you know on Facebook, here is a step-by-step on how to simply report any scam case on Facebook. Let me show you how. Open up your Facebook account. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Click on this three slider from the top. Click on help and support. Proceed to Scam Protection Center. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on report a scam. Then here we go. So at this point here, tell us what you are seeing. We are looking at your recent Facebook activity to help you find and report it. Go ahead and enter the details about the scam information. If it is a Facebook page, include the page URL link. If it is a Facebook scam profile, include the Facebook profile URL link, and click on chat with us. A customer support is going to be connect with you, and then from there you can chat extensively about the scam activities going on Facebook, and the team is going to work on it. And with that, the page or profile account that is being scammed or impersonate can be taken down effectively without any stress. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.